Hey guys, wanna measure distance in Google Maps just using your mobile device? Let me show you how simple it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now let's begin. Actually, just open Google Maps on your device, and now what you have to do is to find the point from where you want to measure the distance. And now I will just drop a pen on the map just by clicking and holding onto one point on the map. And now in this pop-up menu, select the measure distance option. Now you will be able to measure the distance from this point just by dragging the map with your finger. Now you can also add some points so the measurement of the distance is not just a straight line. And you can also zoom out, which will essentially increase the measurement of the distance. But anyways, when you're finished, just click on the three dots at the top right and select the clear option. Now, also let me show you how you can change the measure distance units. From here, just go back and click on your account's icon at the top right. Now in this pop-up menu, select the settings option, and now here look for the distance units option. So just give it a tap, and here select the option that fits you the best. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.